Good morning students, myself Gitika Kalra, and today in this GK video we are going to do some more chapters of GK. So let us take out page number 66 and chapter name is scientific queries. So these scientific queries will surely stimulate your thought process. Besides adding to the quantum of your GK, check how successfully you can answer them. So first question is, why does a tire get hard when you pump it up? So answer of this question is due to increase in the number of air molecules inside the tires. Okay. Second, what do we call a process in which chemicals change? Answer is chemical reaction. Third, what are the major divisions of the living world known as? Answer is kingdoms. Fourth, what kind of machine is a screw? Answer is simple machine. Fifth, what do we call materials that do not conduct electricity? Answer is insulators. Sixth, after which scientist is the Earth major unit of force named? Answer is Newton, after Sir Isaac Newton. Seventh, can you name the force that gives a drop of liquid its round shape and allows an insect to walk on water? Answer is surface tension. Eighth, what kind of electricity causes lightning? Answer is static electricity. Ninth, what do we call a scientist who studies weather? Yes, it's very easy, meteorologist. 10th, what is the name for material that will not rot away naturally? Answer is non-biodegradable. 11th, how does heat from the sun reach the earth? Answer is by radiation in the form of invisible waves. 12th, in which liquid can ice be kept without melting? Answer is liquid ammonia. 13th, what is known as universal solvent? Answer is water. Now students, take out next page. It is page number 67. Yes, so I hope all of you have taken out page number 67. So your first question is, who became the first woman air marshal in India? Answer is Padma Bandyopadhyay. Second, who was the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress? Answer is Sarojini Naidu. Third, who was the first woman director general of police in India? Answer is Kanchan Chaudhary Bhattacharya. Fourth, who was the first Chief Justice of High Court in India? Answer is Leela Seth. Fifth, who was the first Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer is Sheikh Mohammed Abdullah. Sixth, name the first Indian film made with British collaboration. Answer is Punjalik. Seventh, in which film did Naida, the first Indian actress to perform all her stunts herself, make her debut? The name of the film was Hunter Wali. Eighth, with which film was playback singing introduced in Indian cinema? Answer is Dhoop Chhao. 9. Who is the only Indian bowler to have taken a wicket with the first ball he bowled in Test cricket? Answer is Nitesh Kulkarni. 10. Who became the first woman speaker of Lok Sabha? Answer is Meera Kumar. You can write the correct spelling from the clue box given in your book. Then some brain gym. First question is, Dash became India's first field marshal in 1971. Answer is S.J.F. Manik Shaw. Question number 2 of brain gym. In Indian television history, Pratima Puri was the first. Answer is newscaster. Now all of you take out next chapter and it is on the page number 68. So all of you take out page number 68, and you will see that this is the chapter given in your book, Indian cities. So first question is, in which Indian city is the Meenakshi temple located? Answer is Madurai. Second, Kochi is the new name of the city, Cochin. Third, Kozhikode is the new name of the city, Calicut. Next, Sikandrabad is the twin city of Hyderabad. Next, which city takes its name from local goddess Mumba? It's Mumbai. Sixth, which part of India do Koniki speaking people belong to? Goa. Seventh, which city was once known as Manchester of India? Ahmedabad. Eighth, in which city is Fort William located? Kolkata. Ninth, which city is famous for its oranges? Nagpur. And there is also orange sweet of this city. There is a sweet that consists of orange. Now 10th, which is perhaps the only totally planned Indian city? Answer is Chandigarh. Now 2 fill in the blanks are in the brain gym. First, which Indian city was presented to the British as a royal dowry? Bombay. Second, in which city is Anna International Airport? Answer is Chennai. So students, now take out the next page, and that is abbreviations. It is on page number 69. Now first is RBI. RBI full form is Reserve Bank of India. Second, IMF, International Monetary Fund. Third, WTO, World Trade Organization. Fourth, CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education. Fifth, NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. Students, you can pause the video in between and you can see the spelling. Sixth, EMI, Equated Monthly Installment. Seventh, FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization. Eighth, UGC, University Grant Commission. Ninth, USB, Universal Serial Bus. 10th, MTNL, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited. 11th, GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. 12th, ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. 13th, PDS, Public Distribution System. 14th, CBI, Central Bureau of Intelligence. 15th, PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle. And last, 16th, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, so I hope that all of you are able to do it. Now take out the next page, and that is page number 71. So all of you take out page number 71, and it is about the cool words. So this is the page, as you can see on your screen, cool words. So here are some common slang terms. Choose their meaning from the clue box given below. Now first is cool customer. Answer is smart fellow. Pipe down, be quiet. Third, brunch. It is breakfast plus lunch. Then gal, it is a girl or a woman. Fifth, idiot box is a television. Next, couch potato. It is a television addict. As you can see in the picture, it is shown on the right hand side in your book. Then tinsel town is Hollywood plus Bollywood. Next, 8th, mega bucks, large amount of money. 9th, chopper, very familiar to all of you, helicopter. Guy is a man, cop is the policeman, and Uncle Sam is America. Now 2 from brain gym. Break down means stop functioning, and do away with means it's abolish or get rid of. Okay. Now coming to the last chapter of GK, and this is the last chapter of your syllabus also. So take out the next page, and it is on page number 73. So all of you take out page number 73, and the name of the chapter is environmentally aware. Okay, so you can mark the matching. That first answer Saltiest lake is Lake Van. Greatest desert is Sahara. Most populated island is Java. Longest reef is Great Barrier Reef. Highest active volcano is Ojos del Salado. Then largest delta is Gulf of Mexico. Driest place is Great Barrier Reef. Largest gulf is Sundarbans in Bangladesh. Largest ocean is Pacific Ocean, and last but not the least, lowest temperature is of Antarctica. You can write down below the tree options are given 1H, then 2G I have written just aside them. Now name game. Each of us has a name, and so do the following. Guess what each of the following is called. The earth's skin is a crust. Molten rock rising up volcano, magma. Giant destructive waves caused by earthquakes under the sea, tsunami. The place where land and sea meet, coastline. And underwater island is Gaikos. So students, this completes your GK syllabus. Okay? So all of you complete your GK books and understand it, learn it. Okay? And keep learning, be safe, stay healthy. Okay then, goodbye and take care. Goodbye.